Diet tips on a budget. One excuse people use to avoid dieting is the cost. But eating good food and dieting the healthy way doesn't have to be expensive. In fact, if you follow some of the guidelines in this article, you will find out it doesn't need to cost more than your regular food. So, if you are looking for diet tips on a budget, here are the top 5. Buy frozen foods and stock up. Planning ahead is one of the most sensible and cost-effective methods of saving money. Buy pre-packed frozen vegetables in bulk and plan what meals or shakes you will be made out of these ingredients. Frozen foods keep the vitamin and mineral content for weeks in the freezer. Eat less meat and more plant-based foods. Plant-based foods are loaded with nutrients, high-quality proteins, essential fatty acids, and vitamins. Typically a lot more inexpensive than meats and quicker to prepare. You cannot go wrong with swapping 1 or 2 weekly meals from meat to plants. Invest in a food blender or juicer. Making your own juice is not only a more satisfying and healthy way to get your morning fix, but will cost a lot less in the long run. You can experiment with different recipes and find a mix perfect for you too. Buy foods that are in season. Different foods are in season at different times throughout the year. Depending on where you live, do some investigation and find out what is fresh at this time of year. It will cost less to buy locally produced foods that are in season, as opposed to having them shipped cross-country. Shop online. The online e-commerce marketplace is the most competitive in the world. Take some time to do research online for certain products, as there is a likelihood you will find them cheaper than your local supermarket. These are some of the best diet tips on a budget that you can use, but don't be limited to what you read here. Think outside of the box and seize any opportunities you find. Dieting doesn't have to be boring. In fact, it should be part of a fun, active lifestyle. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and are there any videos, in particular, you would like to see? Please let us know by commenting below.